So currently I'm trading a 10k account challenge from Funded Nest, and I'll be sharing with you my setups and all my trade on this particular account. So I took it last week, that's on Thursday. It should be on Thursday or Thursday, Wednesday, that's when I took it. So today is weekend, so we'll go again on Monday, and starting from next week I'll be showing to you and I'll be giving to you all my trade setup, and I'll be dropping my setups for you and how I'll be trading this account. So I opened just one trade on this particular account already, and in this video I'll show you the trade which I've opened and how it's gone and the result of that particular trade. So the trade was GBP JPY, so I went on a sell on GBP JPY and it went perfect. So I'm waiting for some setup on the GBP JPY and the XAUUSD, which is the goal. So I'll be sharing all my setup with you, notification bell, so whenever I drop a video starting from next week how I'll be trading the account, I'll show you my risk management and how I manage my risks on this particular 10k account. The account is going fine, and I'll tell you my risk management which I use, which helps me a lot, that you also can implement to your trading and you'll see a better result. So I'll show you now the risk management which I use for that particular trade on the GJ, on the GBP JPY, and in the course of the video also I'll tell you how I'll be trading and the risks, the fixed risks which I've taken or I'll choose to trade upon for the whole of this account, and I'll show you how I'm going to trade from the start to the end. So stay tuned and let's go. Let me show you more of my trades in this video.
So this is the GBP JPY, and this is the first trade I took on that particular account I told you, the 10k. So this is the trade I took, and you can see it here. It was a sell. I went on a sell on the GBP JPY, so you can see this is the sell, and it went to my take profit. I'll show you also on my MT5. I'll show you on my MT5. So this is how the trade goes. So, and I'll explain to you a bit how I manage the trade and how it all goes. So this, how I got this zone is this particular zone you can see. So let me mark it out. This zone is my sell zone. So this is my particular sell zone. That's my area of interest. So how did I get this area of interest, in case you want to know? So the area of interest, what I look for a break of structure. In accordance to the trend, I look for a break of structure. So here you can see this is the change of character, you know, change of character. So let me label it here. So this is a change of character, that particular place you see, that's the change of character. So I know this change of character now, I have to sell. So immediately seeing this change of character here, I know it's now a sell. It was buying before then, it was buying, but immediately I saw that. So this is on the 15-minute time frame, man. If I should go on the 1 hour also, we're going to see the same thing. It's just that the candles are going to be less. That's just the difference. So you can see that's the change of character, that's the change of character there. So let's go back to the 15 minutes so I can use the 15 minutes to give you this appropriate illustration of how I get there. So I got a change of character there, and all I will need to do is take my Fibonacci from, can drag my peak to my break of structure here, my change of character here. So that's my 50, 61, 50 and the 30. So I marked out the three of them. It's kind of like in between the three of them, I'm going to see the move. The move is going to happen in between the three. So that's how I do it. Then my SL is going to be above, above my protected high or protected low in any of the case. So this one now is my protected high. So my SL should be above the protected high. So if the trade should cross this protected high I place here, so if the trade should cross there, maybe the trade should, break through here. So this is no longer a valid setup for me, and if it takes me, I'll find, then it's also now a change of character. So I'll look for more buys. But what happened? It didn't take me out. So after coming to that particular zone, you can see it there. After coming there, it taps in there. I wasn't using this particular zone because I know this is kind of like a liquidity in the sense of when you are selling here. So I can sell here also. After this break off, so I do the change of character, and I can say, okay, so I'm gonna sell here. You understand? So I'll pull my zones here and I'll sell. So if you sell a bit, you see it sold a bit from that particular zone, then what do you see? Massive push up. So it's kind of like a trick. You understand?
So for my risk management, this is how it works. So the risk management particularly I'm using for that account, that's what I'm showing to you here right now. So the daily drawdown for the overall day, the overall 24-hour of my trading is $300 for the 6K account. So I'm not using the whole of the $300. What I did, I divided by 2. So the division by 2 now is I can take 2 trades in a day before, if the 2 of them should hit SL before I close for the day, and if it should hit TP, and it means that's a profit. My risk to reward, or my RR, is I'm risking one, that's that $150. So as I'm risking the $150, I want to get times 3 of the $150. So times 3 of the 150, if we should calculate, that's 150 times 3. 150 times 3 is gonna give us 450. Yeah, to be precise, 450. So whenever I'm risking $150, I'm gaining $450 in return. So that's what I do. I divide it by 2, and I'm gonna show you also. I'm gonna show you on my MT5 how I do it. I'm gonna show you on my MT5, and there's an app you use to calculate your lot size, that you know the exact lot size you should use and the amount you want to risk. They'll give you, in regards to that amount you want to risk, they'll give you the lot size in regards to the amount you want to risk. So I'll show you the app. You can go and check on the app and find a way out. So the name is Forex Calculator. You can download the app, Forex Calculator. So when you go position size, you click on position size. As you can see, the pair is there. That's the instrument, GBP JPY. You can see the risk percentage. So when I change the percentage, the risk amount is gonna change. So right now the percentage is fixed. So whenever I cancel the percentage now, that's the risk percent. Let's say I want to use 2.6, it to change. So back to 2.5 now, that's $150. So you just have to check it, to play around with it. The entry price is there. You input your entry price, then the stop loss price is also there. Then they are going to show you the pips and everything you need. So you click on calculate. Once you click on calculate, it's going to show you the lot size. So use the mini lot. I use the mini lot. You can use the standard, and you can use anyone. So I use the mini lot, which is the 3.47. 3.47 when I'm risking 3.47 with that particular pips. That's when I'm using that 3.47, that I'm risking that $150. So I'll go on my MT5 and show you how it's going over there. So this is the trade. This is the particular trade. That's GBP JPY. This is on the 15-minute time frame. So you can see my entry from above there, the place I showed to you on trading view. So from the trading view, you see that was my take profit, as I showed to you also there. That's my take profit, and it went fine. So this is my profit, 460. It has to be 450, but because of some addition of the pips, so it's 466. So we are up 466, and we'll be trading next week from this particular profit. We have to take 3 lows before we can go on break even. So this is what it is here, and let's trade this account. Let's see how it goes. I'll catch you in the next video. I'll be dropping analysis on GBP again and the XAUSD. Goodbye.